Again, you'll go to your gear, manage site, and then themes, fonts, and colors. On the entire page, you can change your background to a color or to a picture. I chose a texture from subtlepatterns.com. I also did the same thing for my site header. I chose a pattern and uploaded it here. In the content area, I kept it white. I changed the page title to Josephine Sands, a purple, a larger font, and I changed my text to Merriweather, keeping it black. I think that's important to keep your text simple in your content area. It's going to skip content area gadgets. We'll come back to that when we embed content. Sidebar gadget, I went into our text, and link color is where I changed my link color here to the same teal as the title. Selected text, I changed the color of that to a purple so the viewer can tell they're clicking on something and it's changing, that it is a link. And then I also went to my horizontal navigation and changed my color to gray, and I switched the layout to the right, and I changed my text to Josephine Sands, and I changed the color and the size of that. I also added a hover color. That's when you hover over the link, it'll show up as a different color. One thing, though, I have not changed yet that's not available in Themes, Fonts, and Colors is changing the logo. Actually, you'll have to save and then go back to your Edit Site Layout. So SC and Digital Media, click to that arrow, go to your gear, Edit Site Layout, and here's where I can start to make those changes. I can go to No Logo, or I can do a custom logo. For a custom logo, you could go to Google Draw from your drive, Create and Drawing. That drawing you can go to File, Page Setup, change it to Pixels, Custom, something like 200 by 200. You can create and draw your own logo, and then File, Download it as a PNG file. A PNG will preserve transparency. Transparency is this checkerboard background. It won't actually show, but it's just kind of visual notation that is transparent. It'll actually float over your background color in your site header. I'm going to forego a logo, but that's how you could make one. And if you were to make one, you could browse and upload it from here. You can also change the height of your site header instead of the default. If you want to make it larger, I might go with 225 pixels for mine, and then OK. When I apply that, it's going to make my site header a little larger, and it should also, no logo, get rid of the logo if you don't want that. In our next video, we're going to look at adding in content.